crumbling highways, collapsing bridges, damaged dams. This isn't a third world country, it's our own backyard. America's infrastructure has fallen to 11th in the world. Last year, several countries surpassed us in infrastructure spending, including China. Rebuilding our roads and bridges can help restore America's greatness. American ingenuity and manufacturing strength is what made the U.S. a global superpower. Here in the U.S., every $1 billion spent on infrastructure improvements creates 100,000 construction and manufacturing jobs. This November, support the candidates who support our infrastructure. Learn more at imakeamerica.com.